marwa nigi dhido kony mowinjore. Kuyo podo mako chunya nyola mag ji mar 12 manyo wito ngimagi e masira mar apaya ulalo mantiere Nithi e gwenge ma Tharaka. E kind ji manyo wito ngimagi gin kweth mine manyocha ochako bura mong'ere kaka chama dweche 3 mokalo. Manyo nitiere wuodhgi ka gidhi e kaunti ma Tharaka Nithi. Dennis Makau manyo wito min gi e masirano onyiso kuyo kao kaka obiro rito nyithindgi 2 matindo ma pod somo makoro dong' e lwete. Ji 2 manyo otony e masirano pod medo yudo thieth.
Nilimtumia message kwanza, akaniambia saa 1:56, akaniambia we are on our way, we are coming. So kutoka hapo nikiwatch ball game yangu ikakataa, nikamtext tena na maadhi najuaga message yangu hata izimaliza dakika 5 kaja reply. So kutuma hakureply, nikapiga simu yake ka 20 missed calls hazichukuliwi nini.
Kwangu naweza ambia serikali ishughulikie hiyo barabara juu kwa saizi unaona ni familia mingi sana zimeathirika. Wengi wao wameacha watoto wachanga, wengi walikuwa single mothers, so hao watoto wana mahali pa kwenda.
We have currently stabilized them. The survivors have both minor and major injuries, of which we are attending to them medically, surgically, and also trying to support their psychological state.